Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Thank you so much for joining me today on my channel where I love to bring you my best tips and tools to inspire you to create beautiful home decor on a budget. And as you know, if you've been watching me, sometimes I have companies reach out to me to offer me an item, a product, a subscription box, something like that. And if I feel like it is something my viewers would appreciate seeing, then I say yes. So today I am excited to share with you this scrapbooking subscription box from Grabie. Now I have not opened this yet. I have watched a short video, but they have reached out to me and they have also offered a discount code for my viewers. If you are interested in purchasing this scrapbook subscription box, you can buy them individually or you save money if you subscribe to the monthly kit. So let's open this up and see what it's all about. So here is the box that you get. It's very bright and colorful. Everything is wrapped really, really nicely. I love the presentation of this. This box is chock full of all sorts of scrapbooking, embellishments, stickers, laser cut images. Here's a cute little ruler, some bookmarks. I love this 6x6 paper pad. The theme of the September kit is Monet's Garden. So there's a lot of butterflies and flowers. Look at that cutting mat. That's awesome. You have a whole package here full of stickers and then this cute little snap plastic pouch that has all sorts of paper items. Now, I would almost think that this kit would be really, really great for junk journaling with all of the little doodads, scrapbooking, junk journaling, whichever. I love this paper right here. It's got all these different cut edges. We've got even more stickers. Here are some, looks like die cut paper shapes, all sorts of different shapes with some really nice quality paper. Now I'm going to grab some scissors so we can open up this pouch that says stickers and let's see what else we have in here. Lots of goodies. Lots of beautiful flowers, garden doors with flowers, some really cute stamps. What is in here? Oh yes, this is like some actual flower transfer stickers, some fabric, some wax seal stickers, and some of these big stickers as well. This company was started during COVID. They wanted to create these subscription boxes and just art supplies for people to be able to relax. Anxiety has been really high since COVID. And so what's awesome about this company too is $1 from every order goes into an art fund and they supply art supplies for organizations that provide classes to help with anxiety and with mental illness. Thanks so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video, if you'd like to see more videos like this, and we'll see you next time. Take care.